So if you've been paying attention, Samsung just announced 3 new devices. The S22, which I'm holding a mock-up of right now. They also have an S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra. Now, I'm not going to get into the differences between the 3 devices. Probably end up picking up one of these and doing a full review on it, so stay tuned for that. But these are all flagship devices, which means that they're going to cost a little bit of money. So if you're someone that invested a decent amount of money in one of these phones, might as well get some cool cases to protect them. So we're going to go over these 3 cases. We're going to go over the pros and cons, some of the main features. In the comments, drop your thoughts. Let me know which case is your favorite. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Big shout out to TORRAS for sponsoring this video, and like I said, I will be leaving a link to all 3 cases in the description. So let's go ahead and start off with the orange box. Now this is going to be the clear case, so for you guys that want to maintain the looks of your device, you just bought a device for $1,300, $1,100, whatever, and you want to be able to look at it, this case is going to be for you. Now this is going to be completely clear. It is going to be shock resistance up to 200%, and of course it supports wireless charging, and with a simple design you can still enjoy the feel of your phone without having it in an up armor case. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Have a little wonderful journey. Let's go ahead and start it. Have a QR code to activate your warranty. All right, so far look like there is a screen protector right here, a protective layer that does come off, as you can see there. It does have a nice metallic kickstand that says TORRAS. Of course, this is going to be able to flip out, so if you guys want to enjoy your shows or movies or whatever, you do have that option. You can also stand it up this way, whichever you prefer. All right, and as far as the insulation, guys, there's not going to be much to it. Pop it in. So remember that this is shock resistance up to 200%, so the corners are going to be protected. Your screen is going to be protected, of course, and your camera is going to be protected up, so really no wobbling. If you look at it from the side, you can see everything is pretty flush. This case really feels good in my hand. So the buttons are protruding, so you should be able to feel it instead of searching for it. So confidence right there clicking these buttons, guys. And I think overall TORRAS did a really good job on this one. I went into this comparison not knowing which one's going to be my favorite, but I think this is going to be a front runner. Let's go ahead and get it off and we'll try another one. So the next case is going to be the slim fit. So this is all about keeping it extra thin, and the measurement of this around your phone is 0.02 inches. So this is super skinny. Obviously the protection is not going to be there. The shock resistance is not going to be as good as the previous case that we just saw, but it should protect your device from getting scratched, from minor bumps and dings. And the most important part about this case is that it does allow you to maintain the quality and the feel of your phone. Let's go ahead and get it out. So this case is going to be pretty simple, guys. It is real thin, not transparent. So on the bottom you can see there are some cutouts, some slots in there. So if you look right there, you can see there is a bump that should protect the camera. And confirmation. So this really feels good. It almost makes you feel like your phone doesn't have anything on it. Even though the cutout is right there on both sides, it still has enough protection. So if you drop it right there, it will still be protected. Buttons, of course, are going to be protruding. Feel your buttons instead of searching for it. And this fits so snug that for the most part, it doesn't change the dimension of your phone. The screen is going to be protected. There is a slight overlap. Overall, this is a nice case. It's really thin, not as much protection as the other one, but if you're looking for something that's minimal, that's going to protect your phone from being scratched and just maintains the dimensions and the feel of your phone, this is going to be a good option. So the third case is going to be the Guardian. So the Guardian is one of the best cases from TORRAS. A lot of cool features, and I'm going to demonstrate them for you. So Guardian is going to give you that shock resistance, so it should give you more protection than the slim fit that we just looked at. This does have removable buttons, so if you want to change to different buttons, you can go ahead and do that. Also, this has a translucent back, so it does have a film, and it should look good when you get it on. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. We are going to have the same card that we did on the other phones. These are the actual buttons that you can swap out. You can see we have yellow and we have orange, so you can swap out your buttons, and I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. And this case is absolutely stunning, guys. This is a beautiful case. So obviously you can see my fingers through it, which is going to be a good effect if you guys want to see your Samsung logo. Or like I said, these buttons right here, they do pop out. So we can go ahead and pop the black one out. And it's real easy to do, guys. Just go ahead and push it. You can see that's out. And you can see that one pops out as well. And that gives you the opportunity to pop one of these buttons in here. Let's go ahead and swap it out. Putting them in is pretty straightforward. On this button, you can see the notches up top. Probably hard to see on camera, but notches up top so you know which part is actually on top. So just slide it in from the top here, press it, and just make sure it's in. And that pretty much it. Pretty straightforward, like I said. So same thing for the power button. Pop it in, and it's in already. That took all of 10 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and pop it in. And this is a beautiful, beautiful case. If the buttons aren't your thing, you can leave the black buttons in there and it'll still look beautiful. You're gonna see your Samsung logo. You're gonna see right through it. Protection is there. You do have that 200% bump resistance. Like how they did the outline around the actual camera bump or camera housing. So that kind of sets it off a little bit. Of course, you do have protection for your cameras. You do have a nice ridge right there that's gonna protect your camera if you lay your device flat. Same thing on the front. You are gonna have screen protection there. And also don't forget that this is gonna be wireless charging compatible. That's key feature on all three of these cases. I would not buy a case in today's day and age without wireless compatibility. So 3 really cool cases that's worth checking out. I'll leave Amazon links in the description along with any coupon codes that might be available. Shout out to TORRAS again for sponsoring this video. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, share this video, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.